Hey G Squadian, I hope everyone is doing well as you're watching this video. So as you can see by the title, today I'm just showing you how I made this really simple recipe. It's just zucchini and cabbage combination. So if you'd like to see how I cook this flavorful pot of vegetables, then keep watching. Okay, beautiful family. So I have everything on the counter. Of course, it'll be in the description box. So in this bowl, that is the zucchini that I washed and shredded, as well as cabbage. Make sure you wash off your vegetables. And so now I have in that white bowl a medium-sized diced onion. I have some minced garlic on the plate, probably about 3. Then the seasonings that I'm showing you, I have black pepper, thyme, add some salt. I'm going to add a little red pepper, and then later on in the video I'm going to add some adobo seasoning. I'm going to saute everything in olive oil, and then also I'm going to add some butter later on as well. So now on the stove I have the oil that's already heated. I put about 2 tablespoons in there. So now I'm going in and I'm going to add my onion and my minced garlic, and I'm just going to saute these for about 1 minute. And fam, I just wanted to also say that if you have not seen a video from me in a few days, check the community tab. If you don't know what a community tab is, it's located right underneath my beautiful photo where it says subscribe and join, and right under that it's going to say community. So just click on that, and I usually try to update you now on if I'm going to take any breaks or anything, okay? And then as far as the subscribe, if you don't have a D behind the word subscribe, then that means you're not subscribed. It should say subscribed with a D. If it just says subscribe without the D, then that means you're not subscribed to the channel. So if you could just take a moment and just go ahead and just click that, and it would be helpful. So now back to our regularly scheduled program. So now after a minute has gone, I'm adding my cabbage, and I'm going to saute this for a few minutes. And do your cabbage before you do the zucchini, because that zucchini cooks faster. And unless you like soggy zucchini, then that's fine. You can add it beforehand. But anyway, I prefer it to be like a little, firm. And so this is why I add my cabbage first. And so now with that in the pot, I'm just going to go ahead and just blend everything together, the garlic, the onions, and the cabbage. And I'm just going to allow this to saute for a few minutes. All right, so now the cabbage has cooked for about 15 minutes, and so at this point I'm going to now introduce the zucchini to the pot, and I'm just going to stir and blend this up really well. And so now family, if you notice for this dish, I am not going to add any liquids to this, because I want it to be like firm, kind of like with a semi-soft texture. And so basically this is just a stir fry. And then also these are 2 moist watery vegetables that I'm using, so it pretty much makes its own liquid. But if you want to go ahead in and add maybe like some veggie stock or broth in there, or some water, because maybe you want some juices to put over rice or something like that, you can feel free to do that. But for me, I just really wanted like I said, just a nice pot of sauteed vegetables, and so that's why I didn't add any liquids to it. And so now at this point I'm going to add my seasonings to the pot. And if you are new to my channel, hey, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping through. I provide you with the ingredients that I use, the seasonings, but I always say season your food to your liking. You may have diet restrictions or something, for example, that doesn't allow you to have salt, and I added salt to my recipe. So do your adjustments according to your health first, please, and then season it to your liking. So yeah, I just wanted to just put that out there. All right, and so now I'm just blending all the seasonings throughout the dish, so to make sure it's thoroughly incorporated. All right, so now this is where I decided to add like 2 tablespoons of butter, because as I'm cooking it, the oil kind of evaporated. It wasn't exactly dry, but I just wanted it just have that more oily texture. And so now I decided to add the butter in there. I could have added olive oil, but y'all know how it is. Butter just makes everything taste better, and it takes it to a different level. So I just opted to put that in there. But again, you know, do what you're craving for, you know, if you decide to make this. Okay, so I added it in the middle. I'm letting it melt. Then I'm just going to go ahead and just mix everything, making sure it's just incorporated throughout this entire pot. All right, family, so here we are. The cabbage / zucchini is ready. This took about, I want to say about 25 minutes to saute this dish. And then off camera, I tasted it, and I decided it just wasn't hitting the way that I want all the way. So I just went in with this Adobo seasoning, and I added about a teaspoon to this, and then it just brought it to that gave it that hit that it needed. So yeah, so that's why I say again, season your food to your liking, but that's pretty much it. So it is done, and then I'm going to show you what I paired this with, and then we're going to wrap this video up. All right, family, so here we are. I have my meal plated, and I just kept it real simple. I paired it with this barbecue bone-in chicken breast. And family, normally I would record everything. I did not record me making the video of the chicken, and when I tell you, it came out so juicy and tender. Woo! I mean, comment below if you would like to see me doing a video on how I cooked this chicken breast. I mean, it was so nice. I don't mind doing it twice. But anyway, family, here we are, our cabbage and zucchini combination, nice and flavorful. So family, that's going to wrap up this video. I love you guys. Stay well, be blessed, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye.